morning to all. So this is your grammar period and open your book Grammarite, the Grammarite. Page number 28 and chapter pronoun. So pronoun. Already you know what is pronoun and what is the definition of pronoun. But now we have to do some exercise, book exercise from this chapter. So first of all, subject and object. What is subject? Subject I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are subject. And object I, object me. You, object you. Similar. But he, she, it, subject him, her, it. He, subject him. She, her, it. We have to use object for we, us, they, them. Now let's crack it. Complete the sentence using suitable subject or object pronoun. So let's start. Take pencil. You have to write with the help of pencil. Okay. Next, Uncle Hari took to the market. So Uncle Hari took me to the market. Gemma will reach here soon. He is already on his way. Next, all my friends promised to come. They will be here by 7 p.m. We were getting bored at home. So Mark showed us. What is the object of we? For we, us. Yes. So write here us. Junaid is new to this school. So is from Afghanistan. He is from Afghanistan. John has a dog. It is black. It is black. So complete this exercise. Complete it. Now next, look at the underlined pronouns and write S for subject pronoun and O for object pronoun. Means S for subject pronoun, O for object pronoun. So complete it. The teacher told them a story. So them, subject or object. What is? Yes, them is subject. Very good. So subject, write S. He is riding my bike. So what is he? Subject or object? Just tell me now. Yes, subject. So write here S. She gave the book to Mrs. Brown. So she is, yes, subject. Next, Rita gave the last piece of the cake to her. Her subject or object? Yes. She is the subject and her is the object. Write here O. They donated their old toys and clothes. They donated their old toys and clothes. They is a subject or object? Yes, of course, they is a subject. Us. They left their car with us. So us, obviously, us is the object of we. Now C section. Complete the sentence using suitable possessive pronoun. So what is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun are used to show possession or ownership. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, it, ours, theirs, whose. These are some example of possessive pronouns. So we have to add. So let's practice. This book belongs to me. It is, so me, mine. Yes, it is mine. So write here mine. M-I-N-E. Next, This is Shweta's essay. It is hers. H-E-R-S. Hers. Okay. Next, the crayons box belongs to the children. It is theirs. So write here theirs. You can choose any flavor you want. The choice is yours. Write here yours. Yes, this is yours. My sister and I have two pet turtles. So my sister and I have two pet turtles. The turtles are, now do it with yourself. So complete your exercise. Next, page number 31. Open page number 31. Look at the underlined words. Write P for possessive pronoun and A for possessive adjective. So these are so simple. Possessive pronoun, write for P, and possessive adjective, write A. So what is possessive pronoun and what is the difference between possessive pronoun or adjective? So what is the difference? Difference between, read the sentence, the book is Meenu's. So if possessive pronoun, if we want to replace the noun Meenu with possessive pronouns, so we have to write the books is hers. The books is hers. But in possessive adjective, this is her book. हम जानते हैं जैसे कि एडजेक्टिव में पढ़ा है हमने, तो एडजेक्टिव के बाद नाउन आना कंपल्सरी है. तो बुक इज द नाउन, सो हर इज द एडजेक्टिव. बट प्रोनाउन में, पॉजेसिव प्रोनाउन में डायरेक्ट ही आएगा, उसके बाद कोई नाउन नहीं आएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज सो सिंपल. लेट्स do some exercise. I am doing her work. So work is the noun and her adjective. Yes, of course. Write here A. Is that bag yours? Yours के बाद कोई noun नहीं है. There is no noun after yours. So this is P. P. So the cat clean its fur. Fur is the noun. A. These crayons are theirs, not ours. Ours is the possessive pronoun, not possessive adjective pronoun. P. These are my books. Books is the noun and my is the adjective. A. These are my books. Yours are in the desk. तो yours की बात तो यहाँ कुछ और आया ही नहीं noun. So you have, this is P, possessive pronoun. Where did you keep your socks? Socks is the noun. So what is possessive pronoun or adjective? Yes. This is adjective. Right here A. Very good. Don't touch that sandwich. It is his. So possessive pronoun or possessive adjective? Just tell me now. Yes. Adjective. Or pronoun? Pronoun. P. This cartoon is mine. Yes. Pronoun or adjective? Because there is no noun. Yes, pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Bring your cartoon and keep it here. Bring your cartoon. Adjective. So simple, right? And you have all done very good. These are some. So do it right now in your book. And first of all, the first exercise, page number 29. This exercise you have to write in your notebook. This exercise A in your notebook, write in your notebook, and this also B also. A and B you have to write in your notebook. Next, this don't write in your notebook, and this obviously don't write. It's so simple. Now open page number 32. Fill in the blanks using demonstrative pronoun. So demonstrative pronoun, what is demonstrative pronoun? So demonstrative pronouns out of demonstrative pronouns. You have learned that this, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these and those. Demonstrative pronouns point out the nouns to which they refer. So this, these, that, those. For example, here is the book that you had asked me to get for you. Here is the book. This is the book. Right here, this. Next are the names of selected children. Neha, Ashraf. These are the names. Over there is the tree from which I fell when I was 6 years. That over is there. So that over there is the tree from. Right here, that over there. Do you see the fields over there? Over there are mine. Do you see the fields over there? These are mine. Okay. Now next exercise is F. Now complete the sentence using interrogative pronouns. It's very simple. Interrogative pronoun, which means it means questions. So did you see the climbing the wall? Did you see the climbing the wall? What did you see climbing the wall? Yes, what? What did you see the climbing the wall? Did you put in the box? What did you put in the box? I have a blue toothbrush. Which is yours? Which is yours? Tells you all the stories. Who tells you all the stories? Did you invite to the party? Yes, of course. Who did you invite to the party? And do you know about the interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronoun are pronouns that introduce question. For example, who, whom. Who and whom are used for person, which is used for person and things also. Okay, and what is used for thing only. Read the examples. These are some examples, and this is very simple. Let's practice. State whether the underlined pronoun are subject pronouns or object pronoun. जो अभी हमने करे थे पहले सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट ही वही है सेम. आपको सिर्फ थोड़े सेंटेंस चेंज है, बाकी सब वही है. तो ये आप खुद से करेंगे साथ साथ मेरे. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. 5 of us. Us is object or subject? Obviously, yes, object. So right here, object O. Supreet gave us object O. Next, Rahul and I is the subject. So right here, S. Who is the subject? I never realized I had to hand over the money to them. Them is the object. And Mohan submitted the project to her. Her is the subject or object? Just tell me now. Yes, of course, object. This is very good. All students are very good. So now next, complete these sentences using the demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns you know very well. These that demonstrative pronoun, because अभी आपने ये वाली एक्सरसाइज की है, ये demonstrative की थी. But now these are some demonstrative. Is John sweeter and belongs to Mary? Okay, so this is John's sweater. So right here this is John's sweater and that belongs to Mary. That belongs to Mary. My book is on the table. My book is on that table. This is your. Are my crayons. These are my crayons. These are my crayons. These हमने यहाँ पे यूज क्यों किया है? These because crayons is the plural and these obviously plural, so we have to use these for the plural noun. Where are yours? Next, do fit in suitcase. Do those or that do those fit in your suitcase? Do those fit your suitcase? Next, I planted these. Those in the distance were. I planted these. Those in the distance were planted by the gardener. Okay. Now C section. So this is your HW. Okay. So do it with yourself. Suitable pronoun, only suitable pronoun. Okay. Next, read the sentence, underline the possessive pronoun and circle the possessive adjective. अभी हमने बिल्कुल यही जस्ट अभी हमने किया है. ये बहुत सिंपल है. अंडरलाइन हमें possessive pronoun करना है और possessive adjective को हमें सर्कल करना है. Have you seen my shirt? My shirt. So my is the अंडरलाइन करना है possessive pronoun को. My is the adjective. तो circle it. All these toys are ours. Possessive pronoun. This is his dog and that one is mine. Mine. This is their car and that is ours. My book is with him. My book is with him. My book and circle is okay. So now complete your notebook work.